What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel where we turn real estate wholesaling into a science and have a little fun along the way. Today, we're talking about KPIs, key performance indicators, that will get you to that sweet $50,000 a month in your wholesaling business. If you're not tracking your KPIs, you're basically driving blindfolded. And spoiler alert, that's a terrible idea. So let's dive in, break it all down. And the first thing that you guys need to know is, why should you even care about your KPIs? Look, if you want your business to be predictably profitable, not just a huge check every once in a while, predictably profitable, then tracking your numbers is key. When you track the right KPIs, you can 1, know exactly how many intro calls equal a lead, and 2, how many leads equal an offer, and 3, how many offers equals a closed deal. It's like having a roadmap to success. Once you got this dialed in, scaling becomes super easy, and you'll know exactly where your weak points are. Plus, when you have a team, tracking KPIs lets you pinpoint where things are going sideways. Low leads, listen to those intro calls. Are they awkward, too salesy, not salesy enough? Are the verbal offers low? Maybe your team is scared of rejection, or maybe they're just asking the wrong questions. And if deals aren't closing, well, we've got some work to do on the negotiation front. So let's get into the numbers. The 9 KPIs you should be tracking to hit that $50K per month goal. Number 1 are intro calls attempted. How many people are you actually trying to talk to? If this number is low, you're not giving yourself enough opportunities to succeed. The more calls you make, the more chances you have to connect with potential sellers and generate leads. Number 2, intro calls completed. Because let's face it, not everyone picks up. Tracking this helps you understand your contact rate and improve your outreach strategies. If your completed calls are low compared to your attempts, it might be because your dialing strategy sucks or you're calling with bad numbers. Number 3, follow-up conversations completed. The fortune is in the follow-up, my friends. Consistent follow-ups means you're staying on top of potential deals and building trust with the sellers. Studies show that it often takes multiple touch points before a seller is ready to move forward. So do not skip this step. Number 4, leads created. Are you actually finding motivated sellers by talking to these agents? This KPI shows whether your outreach efforts are turning into real opportunities. Tracking this helps you evaluate your marketing strategies and adjust your approach to attract more high-quality leads. Number 5, verbal offers given. Getting them talking numbers is key. If you're not making offers, you're not giving sellers a chance to say yes. Tracking verbal offers helps you gauge whether you're engaging the sellers effectively and positioning your solutions convincingly. And to reiterate, with verbal offers, it has to be done over the phone. Do not do this over text. You will not close as many deals. Number 6, written offers given. Sealing the deal on paper. Tracking written offers ensures you're moving beyond just conversations and taking tangible action. This KPI also helps you assess whether your pricing strategies align with market expectations. Number 7, deals assigned. Moving those contracts like a boss. This KPI reflects how well you're converting offers into assignable contracts. If this number is low, you might need to revisit your buyers list or work on getting those deals lower so your buyers actually want to buy. Number 8 are deals closed. Cha-ching. Ultimately, this is the metric that proves all your hard work is paying off. Tracking deals closed helps you assess your overall efficiency and identify any bottlenecks in your closing process. And number 9, total profit, because at the end of the day, we're here to make money. Tracking profit ensures you're staying focused on the financial health of your business. It helps you understand your margins, evaluate your costs, and make smarter investment decisions. Now, I know what you're thinking. Keeping track of all of this sounds like a nightmare. But here's the good news. I've got a little automation magic for you. I use Google Sheets to track everything, and it's all automatically updated thanks to Zapier, which connects to my CRM, SimplSend, and the Google Sheet. So every time an intro call happens, boom, it's logged. Verbal offer goes out, bam, it's recorded. Basically, I get to sit back, sip my coffee, and watch the numbers roll in while I focus on closing more deals. Using automation means less manual work and more accuracy, so I can focus on what truly matters, closing deals and scaling my business. Picture this, you're hustling every day, making calls, following up, and feeling busy. But at the end of the month, you're like, wait, where the hell is my money? If you're not tracking, you're guessing. And guessing in business, that equals being broke. Without KPIs, you won't know where the bottleneck is. Maybe your intro calls are solid, but your follow-ups are meh. Or maybe your team is killing it on offers, but they're too low to get accepted. Tracking everything lets you fix the exact problem holding you back, so you're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping something sticks. Plus, when it's time to scale, having solid KPI data helps you train new employees effectively and set clear, achievable goals. So I want you guys to know these KPIs, and if you want my KPIs directly, I'm giving them out for free. All of my KPI sheet, all of the connections I do with Zapier, you can find that in the link below if you click my $100,000 per month business. Just sign up there, puts you on the email list, and then you get all of those resources for free. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below letting me know what KPIs you are tracking in your business. And until next time, keep hustling and tracking those numbers.